Hello farmers and poultry lovers, welcome back to my channel where I share real life experience and helpful tips from my poultry farm. In today's video, we are going to be talking about this big issue that used to frustrate many farmers, why your chickens are not laying eggs. I will be revealing the most common mistakes that stop your hens from producing and how to fix them fast. So let's get into the video. Number one reason your chicken may not be laying eggs is poor feeding. Layers need a balanced diet that includes calcium, protein, and essential vitamin. If your birds are not eating balanced diet and you are just mixing their feed anyhow, don't expect them to lay or don't expect good egg production. Always give them a quality layer feed with at least 16 to 18% protein and oyster shell or limestone for strong egg shells. Another reason why your layers may stop laying is stress and noise. Stress and noise. Another major mistake is stress. Chicken don't like noise, overcrowding, or constant changes. If your birds are always being disturbed, moved, or chased, they will stop laying. So all you need to do is to keep the pen calm, clean, and quiet. Give them a comfortable environment and they will reward you with eggs. And another reason, that is number 3 reason why your layer chicken may stop laying, is poor lighting. Did you know chickens need 14 to 16 hours of light daily to lay consistently? If you are relying only on natural daylight, especially during rainy season or short days, they may stop laying. So, all you need to do is to use low energy bulbs in the coop to maintain enough light, especially early in the morning and evening. So if you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe and join the great family. Another reason why your layer chicken may stop laying is, that's number 4, dirty environment or disease. A dirty pen can bring in parasites and diseases that affect egg laying. If your coop smells bad, droppings are everywhere, or drinkers are dirty, it is time to clean. All you need to do is to make sure that you keep your pen very dry and clean. Always wash their drinkers every morning. Also, worms and mites can make hens weak. All you need to do is to deworm regularly Some use to deworm monthly, some use to deworm once in 2 months. So all you need to do is to deworm regularly and keep the coop dry. By so doing, I can assure you that you will not suffer any losses. So number 5 reason is old or sick birds. Sometimes it's not your fault. Your chickens may just be too old. Laying drops after 18 to 24 months. Also, sick or weak birds won't lay. Check for weight loss, pale combs, and strange droppings. Treat the diseases early, and I will add it by saying that prevent diseases early at all times. Make sure you prevent, because prevention is better than cure. Now, bonus tips. Make sure chickens always have clean water. Yes, that is very important. As I used to always say, water you know that you'll be able to drink, that is the same water you can give to your pets. Make sure they have enough space and nesting boxes. Even small issues can stop egg production. Make sure they have clean nesting boxes. So, if your chickens have dropped laying, review these points and fix any of the mistakes I shared. Yes, if you'll be able to fix it, I can assure you that they will return laying. It will be a shock. It will shock you the way they will go back to laying. So I have so many videos on this channel, how to start poultry farming from scratch. Even if you don't have any knowledge about, you don't have any experience, you don't have any knowledge, that basic knowledge concerning poultry farming, I can assure you that once you go through the videos, you'll be able to start your own poultry farming. So let me know in the comments which one you've been facing. That's which of these reasons or mistakes you've been facing, which of these challenges, and fix it where necessary. So don't forget, thank you so much for always watching. Please kindly subscribe and join the great family. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.